Welcome to the channel. In today's session, we will look into how to represent rational numbers on the number line. Representation on number line. All the number systems can be represented on the number line. For natural numbers, the number line starts at 1 and it extends indefinitely towards the right of 1. For whole numbers, number line starts from 0 and this number line extends towards only right of 0. In case of integers, the number line extends on both sides of 0, that is on both left and right side of 0, and the extension happens indefinitely. But in integers, if you look into the number line, between two adjacent numbers, there won't be any other integer. So, if 0 is one number and the next number is 1, there won't be any other integer lying between 0 and 1. Coming to rational numbers. The rational numbers number line may look similar to the integers, but here if you take any two adjacent rational numbers, there will be other rational number between these rational numbers. Say 0 and 1. All integers are also rational numbers. In this case, the rational number should be in form of p by q. Q will be equal to 1, means the denominator is 1 for all the integers. So 0 and 1 are also rational numbers for which Q equal to 1. So now consider these two rational numbers 0 and 1. In between 0 and 1, there can be n number of rational numbers. Let us take the first division. So if you exactly divide the unit 1 into half, then that 1 by 2 is the representation between 0 and 1. Similarly, towards the negative side of the line, also we can have minus 1 by 2. Like this, there will be rational numbers between the rational numbers. Now, if we consider this number line and you divide the first unit 1 into 3 equal parts. Then each and every part can also be labeled. The first part will be labeled as 1 by 3. Because we have divided into 3 parts, the 3 will go into the denominator, and as we are considering the first of the division we have done, first part of the divided unit, it would be 1 by 3. The next part would be 2 by 3. So in this way, we will label each and every part that is divided from a single unit. Now let us take 4 by 9, a rational number. How can we represent this 4 by 9 on a number line? We just know how to represent 0, 1, 2 and so on a number line. But how to represent a rational number on a number line? After you take the rational number that you want to represent on it, the first thing we have to do is consider the denominator. And the first unit means 0 to 1 on the number line should be divided into so many units. Say in this case we have 9 as the denominator. So the first unit has to be divided into 9 equal parts. Now let us divide the first unit into 9 equal parts. After dividing it to 9 equal parts, you will label each and every part from the first one. The first 0 will remain as it is. After that, the marking would be 1 by 9 because that is the first of the 9 parts. And the next one it would be 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and so on. So when it comes to the point 1, the point what we already know, that would be 9 by 9, wherein both the numerator and denominator will have the same values. After that, 4 by 9 you can directly see from this marking where the 4 by 9 is. Means we are considering the 4 units out of the 9 units that we have divided. In this way, we can represent any rational number on a number line. Let us take another rational number 7 by 4. So what we should do first? The first unit should be divided into 4 equal parts. Because we have 4 in the denominator here, we will divide into 4 equal parts and then label each and every part. So now we have divided into 4 equal parts. If we label them, the first one would be 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and exactly at 1 we will have 4 by 4. But we need 7 by 4 representation on the line. So we didn't reach the point 7. That's why the next unit on the number line means 1 to 2. Even that portion we have to divide into 4 equal parts, and then we will continue this labeling. We have stopped at 4 by 4. So we have to continue from 5. 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Like that we will continue labeling all these divisions, and then you will be able to locate 7 by 4 on the number line. In this way, we can represent all the rational numbers on a number line. The points we have to consider is what is the number in the denominator of a rational number. So the first unit of the number line will be divided into the denominator. Say if q is the denominator, so q number of equal parts you have to do the first unit, and the numerator will represent which part you have to consider. So this way it can be easily presented on a number line. Thanks for watching.